So, hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, gagawa ulit tayo ng panibagong makeup look which is inspired by Leticia Velasco kasi nakita ko yung video niya is nag-create siya ng Crying Angel which is tinawag niya ng Crying Angel. So, na-inspired ako. So, parang gusto ko rin gawin sa sarili ko. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's get started! So, ang una kong gagawin guys is maglalagay ako ng glue stick sa eyebrow ko.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Next naman is isiset natin siya ng finishing powder or final powder. And ang gagamitin ko namang foundation is from Maybelline Super Stay in the shades 220.
Finding life along the way.
By the way guys, nakapag-primer na pala ako tsaka nakapag-moisturizer na ako kanina bago ako mag-start.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And ang gagamitin ko namang concealer is from L'Oreal Infallible, yung full wear nila. This one.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So, by the way guys, off-cam ko na gagawin yung false eyelashes ko and also yung eyeliner and yung mascara ko. So, stay tuned! So, ayun guys, nakabit ko na yung false eyelashes ko and eyeliner and nakapaglagay na rin ako ng nose line. So, ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon is i-blend na lang natin siya.
Life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing
And magko-contour lang tayo guys.
a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
And gagawa lang tayo ng mga droplets dito sa ating mata. Yung nilalagay niyo parang luha-luha na para kunwari umiiyak tayo.
Horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
So, ito na po yung final and finished product.
Waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So, thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. And yun muna ang ating video for today. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko.